It smells like straight up frosting. Greetings, Earthlings. I am here today to do a first impressions try-on of the September Boxy Charm. Yeah, I kind of tore open the box a little bit, went a little bit of a Tasmanian devil on it. Yeah, so funny story. I unsubscribed from Boxy Charm after a couple of months because I was tired of getting the insufficient funds notification. Anyway, and then I saw the preview for the September Boxy Luxe, and it was filled with so much stuff that I've been wanting for a long time, so I signed up again, and then I woke up early, I think it was last Saturday, and I tried to subscribe for Boxy Luxe, but I just kept getting error messages. So I got stuck with the September Boxy Charm box, and I have to say I am actually really pleased with it. And I might just stay on with Boxy Charm since I am on the wait list for the December Boxy Luxe, so why not? I have opened this box, obviously, and I saw what was inside. I have not even swatched any of the stuff yet, so we're going to go ahead and do a makeup look. All right, and now, let me pin my hair back out of my face. Okay, so first we are going to start with this. This is the Laura Geller Baked Blush-N-Brighten in the shade Tropic Hues. I don't think I've ever actually even tried any Laura Geller face products. Anyway, let's do a swatch. Oh, it's kind of like a peachy, very sheeny shade. Can you see that? Alrighty, let's just take a light hand and see what happens. I'm getting a lot of sheen and not a lot of color. Okay, dug in a little bit more. I'm seeing like a lot of gold reflect, but minimal color. It's pretty though. I can dig it. I can diggity dig it. Okay, I'm actually going to switch on over to a product that I got a few boxes ago just to finish up the face. I haven't used it since I did the video for that one, so I figured this would be a good chance to use it again. This is the Pure Sculptor Face Palette. It smells like chocolate. I feel like this palette would be better for deeper skin tones than my own. It's not a bad palette. I really should use it more often. I just feel like the contour shades are just a little too deep for me. Anyway. By the way, this is like a wildflower theme. And the blush is worth $28. Now we're going to move on to a set of brushes that came in the box. I only know of this brand because I got an eyeshadow palette from it a few boxes ago. This is by Alamar Cosmetics, and it comes with these 3 little brushes. We got like a blending brush, kind of like a flat shader or concealer brush, and then like a flat liner or brow brush, and I'm going to use it with this pretty cool Pretty Vulgar Nightingale eyeshadow palette. I know this is sold at Sephora. The only other Pretty Vulgar product I've tried before was an eyeliner that actually came in a Boxy Charm box. So, yeah. Take this off. Oh, my. These brushes are worth $18 and the eyeshadow palette is $35. And I only paid $22 for the whole box, so that's cool. All right, I want to go for a kind of soft look because the lipstick that came in the box is like red. Red. I'm seeing a lot of cool tones in here though. I might stick around to these shades, Hide and Seek, Flip Out, maybe a little bit of Swoop, and then Clutch and Break Free. And kind of stay away from these more Oh, this brush is so soft and so fluffy. It's so fluffy! Okay, so I finished up both eyes. I really like the eyeshadows in this palette. I really do. I think they're so pretty and they're really easy to work with. Let's swatch a few more shades before we move on. So we'll do Breaking Free or Break Free. A nice shimmery icy white. This is the one I put on my lid, Clutch. Really pigmented, really pretty. Let's try I Spy. Oh, wow. That is so pretty. And Silver Spoon. Like a nice bluish gunmetal. Let's go ahead and swatch some of the mattes too. Let's see what Swoop looks like. They're really smooth. I like them. I like this palette. I will continue to use it. But what we're about to try next, I'm really nervous about. This is Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. I know a few brands came out with these roll-on liners and they were kind of like a big deal for a little bit, but I don't think anyone really liked them. It says shake me up, so let's shake. Okay, I do like a lot of stuff by Butter London, especially the glaze and eyeglosses. So we'll see how this works. If you can see that, it's a little rolly wheel. I'm not good with regular eyeliners, so let's see how this goes. Okay, you're supposed to just let the wheel do the work for you. Come on, wheel. Okay, so first thoughts. I feel like the wheel kind of has like a mind of its own. And it kind of just goes wherever it wants to. I will admit it makes it a little bit easier to make a line, but I mean, it goes on pretty evenly, like the pigment, but I keep getting like wiggly lines. Alright, I'm going to try to do the other eye, and then I'm going to put on some mascara. I'm actually going to do a mascara that I got in another Boxy Charm box. Boxy Charm mix. This is Wander Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I only used it the one time for the video, so I figured I'd give it another chance. Burb. Okay, so I'm not going to lie. I am pleasantly surprised with this eyeliner, which is $19, by the way. Problem is, this eye is so much more hooded than this eye that I can never get eyeliner to look right over here. Like, I am obsessed with how this eye looks, but then I feel like this eye kind of just looks like a joke. So, let's get it up close and personal. I really like the eyeliner. I do. I really do. The mascara I also like. And the eyeshadow is just so pretty. I can't. But oh my gosh. I am just obsessed with the eyeliner. Oh, and then look at this. It's so sad. Now, if I like really maneuver the way that my face is, it's not too bad. But then when I'm like... Now, last but not least, we have a lipstick by a brand called Hank & Henry, which I actually never heard of until later that day that I got this box. I watched a video by Tati, and she talked about Hank & Henry. And I was like, oh, okay, I guess this is a thing. This is a liquid lipstick, and I always get, like, tripped out by bottles that look like this because I expect them to be like regular lipsticks, but then you take it out and it is a liquid lipstick, and holy cow, this is the best smelling lipstick I have ever smelled in my life. It smells like straight up frosting, like, oh my god, it's so good. Let's go ahead and swatch it. That's a nice pretty color. I like that. Okie dokie. Let's try this out. If I don't eat it all first. It seems kind of like a moussey whipped texture. The applicator is nice and soft and flexible, and it's also not as red as I expected it to be in the bottle. It dries down really quickly too. That is so pretty. Oh! This keeps happening. Long hair problems. Okay, so I am so happy with this box. Like, September Boxy Luxe can go kiss my butt because the regular one is just fine. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love the lipstick. I love the eyeshadow. I love the eyeliner. I love the blush. And it was really nice revisiting the mascara and the face palette from previous boxes. The brushes are really nice too. The blending brush is so soft. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up if you want me to keep Boxy Charm and keep doing videos like this where I try everything on camera. Got the idea from Kathleen Lights, BTW. Yeah, please subscribe. I am so thankful for all of my subscribers, and it makes me so happy every time I see the number go up, even if it's just by 1. It means so much to me. Yeah, so have a good day. Bye.